Happy mathing, everybody. This is a nice little ratio and proportion question for quiz number 7. A great example of a question like what you might see on quiz number 7. So the question says $700 is how many percent more than $550? So with these kinds of questions, I think that the biggest thing is to try and figure out what the starting point is and then what the result is. And in this question, $700 is like the result, which means that the $550 is where we're starting from or what we're comparing back to. So all of these questions can be solved with the two lines, equal sign in the middle. And since something is 100, since we're talking about percents, we know that something will always be 100%. Your starting point is attached to the 100%. So in this case, the 550 is our starting point, and the $700 is the result. So I'll put the 550 attached to the 100%, and then the $700 is going to go over here. So when we solve this, we can solve this like every other ratio and proportion. Cross multiply where you know both numbers, and then divide by the last number. So 100 times 700 divided by 550. And so we get something like 127.27. Okay, so 127.27. So this question mark here is 127.27, but that's not the end of the question, because the question says how many percent more, okay? So if we started at 100 and now we have 127, it's really only 27.27% more, right? Because we started at 100. So whenever it's asking for more or less, find the difference in these two percents. So the difference is subtraction. The big number minus the small number, so 127.27 minus the small number of 100 gives you an increase of 27.27%. So the correct answer to this question is not 127.27. The correct answer is just 27.27%.